Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to change the font size in the PyCharm editor on Windows 10. Adjusting the font size helps make your coding experience more comfortable and readable. Whether you prefer larger or smaller text, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your PyCharm editor on your Windows 10 PC. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the Settings icon. Select Settings to open the configuration window. In the Settings window, find and click on Editor on the left sidebar. Then, click on Font under the Editor section. Then find the Font Size option under the Font list. Now adjust the font size to your desired value. You can observe the text preview on the left to see how it will look. Finally, Step Font. Click Apply to save the changes, and then click OK to close the window. That's all for today's tutorial on changing the font size in PyCharm. I hope this helps improve your coding comfort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.